To truly understand how food affects the brain, it's essential to first understand what the brain is made of. While we often think of the brain as a complex organ with its own unique structure, it's also made up of a variety of nutrients that directly influence its function. The human brain is an incredibly complex organ that depends on a variety of nutrients to function properly, and fat is one of the most essential. In fact, the brain is made up of about 60% fat, with most of it consisting of specific lipids like omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids. These fats are the building blocks of healthy brain cells and are vital for supporting brain function. Omega-3 fatty acids, in particular, play a critical role, found in fatty fish like salmon, as well as in certain nuts, seeds, and plant oils. Omega-3s help form the cell membranes of neurons, or nerve cells, which are the brain's functional units. The quality of these fats directly impacts the efficiency with which neurons communicate. Omega-3s maintain the fluidity of these cell membranes, allowing neurons to transmit signals more effectively, which is crucial for proper brain function. In addition to supporting neuron structure, omega-3 fatty acids are involved in the production of neurotransmitters, the chemical messengers that allow neurons to communicate. Without these fatty acids, this communication would be slow or impaired, leading to decreased cognitive function. This is why omega-3s are often linked to improved memory, learning abilities, and overall brain performance. Research also shows that omega-3s are crucial during childhood and adolescence when the brain is developing. These fats are needed for proper brain growth, ensuring that the brain develops with the right structure and function. But even as we age, omega-3s continue to offer benefits, helping protect against cognitive decline and neurodegenerative conditions like Alzheimer's disease. Beyond cognitive function, omega-3s also support mental health. Studies have shown that a deficiency in omega-3 fatty acids can increase the risk of mood disorders such as depression and anxiety. This makes sense when you consider how crucial omega-3s are in maintaining the brain structure and ensuring effective communication between neurons. For those looking to keep their minds sharp and their emotions balanced, omega-3s are indispensable. Take, for example, prominent figures like former President Barack Obama and entrepreneur Elon Musk. Both of these individuals are known for their intellectual capabilities and strategic thinking, and both prioritize a diet rich in omega-3s. Obama, in particular, is known for regularly incorporating fish and nuts into his meals, making sure he gets plenty of omega-3s to keep his mind sharp and focused. Musk, similarly, advocates for a balanced diet that includes omega-3 rich foods to fuel his brain and support his innovative thinking. Their success is a testament to the importance of brain health, especially when it comes to maintaining a sharp, focused mind. However, not all fats are beneficial for the brain. Diets high in unhealthy fats, like trans fats and excessive amounts of saturated fats, can impair brain function over time. Trans fats, found in many processed foods, baked goods, and fried items, can interfere with neuron function and hinder brain signaling. Over time, this can lead to slower cognitive abilities and even contribute to the development of conditions like dementia. Saturated fats, commonly found in red meats, full-fat dairy products, and processed snacks, also have negative effects when consumed in excess. These fats can promote inflammation in the brain, impairing cognitive function and contributing to mental health disorders. Even someone as influential as Steve Jobs, known for his visionary ideas and groundbreaking contributions to technology, was affected by his diet. Jobs was known for his radical approach to health and nutrition, often embracing extreme dietary practices that weren't always balanced. While his extraordinary success in tech is undeniable, his inconsistent dietary habits may have played a role in his health struggles. Jobs' case is a reminder that diet impacts not only our physical health, but also our cognitive abilities and mental well-being. A healthy, balanced diet rich in omega-3 fatty acids is key to supporting both brain function and overall health. In conclusion, fats are far more than just a source of energy. They are the foundation of our brain structure. Omega-3 fatty acids, in particular, play a vital role in maintaining brain health, supporting cognitive function, and promoting emotional stability. By choosing a diet rich in omega-3s, through foods like fatty fish, nuts, and seeds, you can ensure your brain stays sharp, focused, and healthy. So, the next time you're planning your meals, keep in mind that your brain deserves the best fuel. Prioritize healthy fats. Reduce your intake of unhealthy fats, and you'll help your mind stay sharp and ready to take on whatever life throws your way. Proteins and amino acids are often seen as mere building blocks for the body, but their role in brain function is far more impactful. These essential nutrients are at the core of how our brain communicates, processing every thought, emotion, and action. When we consume protein-rich foods, we're not only fueling our bodies but also providing our brain with the necessary elements to function at its best. Proteins break down into amino acids, which are then used to produce neurotransmitters, the chemical messengers that allow neurons to communicate with each other. These neurotransmitters are responsible for regulating mood, tension, sleep, and even weight. Without them, our brains would fail to operate properly, leading to a host of cognitive and emotional problems. Neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine are key players in brain health. Serotonin, for example, is linked to mood regulation. Higher levels of serotonin are associated with calmness and happiness, while lower levels can contribute to anxiety or depression. Dopamine, on the other hand, is crucial for motivation, focus, and the brain's reward system. It helps us stay driven and feel satisfaction when we achieve our goals. These neurotransmitters are directly influenced by amino acids such as tryptophan and tyrosine, which our bodies obtain from the protein-rich foods we eat. Without these amino acids, our brains would struggle to maintain the necessary levels of serotonin and dopamine, resulting in cognitive difficulties, mood swings, or a lack of motivation. The impact of a protein-rich diet is clear. When you eat foods like grilled chicken, eggs, or lean steak, your body breaks down the protein into amino acids, which are then used to produce the neurotransmitters that power your brain. This process makes you feel more alert and focused, which is why many people report being more mentally sharp after eating a protein-packed meal. Just look at someone like Bill Gates, known for his sharp focus and exceptional decision-making abilities. It's likely that Gates consciously ensures his diet includes plenty of protein to maintain optimal brain function. Research has shown that adequate protein intake improves cognitive performance and helps manage stress, allowing the brain to stay clear and focused for complex tasks. The amino acids derived from protein help regulate neurotransmitter production, ensuring mental clarity throughout the day. In contrast, a high-carb, high-sugar diet can have a negative effect on cognitive function. When you consume refined carbohydrates and sugars, your blood sugar levels spike quickly, only to crash shortly after. This fluctuation in blood sugar creates a roller coaster effect, leading to periods of high energy followed by slumps in mood and energy. This phenomenon is often referred to as brain fog, a state of mental fatigue and lack of clarity that many people experience after eating foods that cause rapid blood sugar spikes. When your blood sugar levels rise and fall too quickly, neurotransmitter production is disrupted, leading to reduced cognitive performance and difficulty concentrating. For instance, after a sugary meal, you may experience an initial burst of energy as your blood sugar levels rise. However, this is typically followed by a crash, which can leave you feeling drowsy or mentally sluggish. This is in stark contrast to the steady, sustained focus that comes from consuming a balanced, protein-rich meal. Mark Zuckerberg, known for his relentless work ethic and continuous innovation, has spoken about how he maintains a balanced lifestyle, including making mindful choices about his diet. By prioritizing meals that offer consistent energy, like lean proteins and healthy fats, he ensures his brain remains sharp and focused throughout the day. Protein-rich meals keep blood sugar levels stable, providing a constant supply of energy for cognitive tasks, which is essential for staying productive and innovative. The bottom line is that the food we eat plays a major role in how we think, feel, and perform. Protein is especially important because it supplies the amino acids that our brains need to produce neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine, which are vital for mood, focus, and mental clarity. Choosing protein-rich foods not only helps enhance cognitive performance, but also supports emotional well-being. By making conscious dietary choices, we can optimize brain function, improve concentration, and maintain a stable mood. In short, if you want to keep your mind sharp and your emotions balanced, the right diet can make all the difference. Protein-rich foods are the key to unlocking your brain's full potential. So choose wisely and watch your mental clarity soar. Micronutrients play a crucial role in maintaining brain health and cognitive function. Despite being required in small amounts, these essential vitamins and minerals have a significant impact on the brain, supporting its functions, protecting it from oxidative stress, and enhancing overall mental well-being. Antioxidants like vitamin C and E found in fruits and vegetables are particularly important for safeguarding the brain from free radicals, which can damage brain cells and accelerate aging. With oxidative stress being a major contributor to cognitive decline, a diet rich in antioxidants helps protect the brain, keeping it healthier for longer. B vitamins, including B6, B12, and folic acid, are also vital for optimal brain function. Vitamin B6 plays a key role in synthesizing neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine, which are critical for regulating mood, sleep, and cognitive abilities. Vitamin B12 supports nerve cell health and communication between the brain and the body, while folic acid is essential for the production of DNA and red blood cells. These B vitamins not only contribute to cognitive function, but also protect the brain from oxidative stress, helping prevent conditions such as memory loss, depression, and dementia. In addition to vitamins, trace minerals such as iron, copper, zinc, and sodium are essential for cognitive development and brain function. Iron is responsible for carrying oxygen to the brain, which is crucial for its performance. A deficiency in iron can lead to fatigue and cognitive impairment. Zinc plays a key role in neurotransmitter release and brain signaling, while copper supports synapse health, the connections between neurons. Sodium, although often associated with high blood pressure, is vital for nerve signal transmission. Together, these trace minerals ensure that the brain functions at its best, aiding in memory, focus, and overall mental clarity. Real-world examples highlight how proper nutrition can support brain health. Oprah Winfrey, a prominent advocate for wellness, often speaks about the importance of a nutrient-rich diet in maintaining cognitive function. Her meals typically include plenty of leafy greens, whole grains, and antioxidant-rich foods, which help keep her energized and mentally sharp. Similarly, Queen Elizabeth II, who reigned for decades, maintained a balanced diet that included brain-boosting foods like fish, vegetables, and whole grains. Her diet played a significant role in her ability to remain focused and make quick decisions throughout her long reign. Incorporating a variety of micronutrients into your diet is essential for maintaining brain health, from protecting the brain with antioxidants to supporting cognitive processes. With B vitamins and trace minerals, these nutrients are the foundation of mental clarity and focus. A well-balanced diet that includes nutrient-dense foods can not only protect your brain from oxidative damage, but also improve cognitive function over time. Whether you're looking to boost memory, enhance focus, or simply feel more mentally alert, micronutrients are a vital piece of the puzzle for maintaining long-term brain health. The human brain consumes about 20% of the body's total energy, and this energy is primarily derived from glucose, which comes from the carbohydrates we eat. The carbohydrates in our diet are broken down into glucose, providing the brain with the energy it needs to function. However, not all carbohydrates are created equal, and the type of carbs we consume can significantly affect brain performance. Carbohydrates are classified into three main types: starches, sugars, and fiber. While all carbohydrates eventually break down into glucose, the rate at which this occurs has a profound impact on how we think, feel, and focus throughout the day. Starches, which are complex carbohydrates found in foods like whole grains, legumes, and starchy vegetables, provide a slow, steady release of glucose into the bloodstream. This gradual breakdown helps maintain stable blood sugar levels, supporting sustained energy for the brain. Foods like quinoa, sweet potatoes, and brown rice are examples of starches that give you long-lasting mental clarity and focus, without causing energy crashes. On the other hand, simple sugars, found in processed foods like candy, soda, and baked goods, are quickly digested and cause a rapid spike in blood glucose levels. While this may give you an immediate energy boost, it's usually followed by a sharp decline, leaving you feeling sluggish and unfocused. This cycle of sugar highs and crashes can make it difficult to concentrate, think clearly, and regulate your mood. Fiber, though not directly converted into glucose, plays a crucial role in maintaining stable blood sugar levels. By slowing down the absorption of glucose, this helps prevent the sharp spikes and crashes caused by simple sugars. Fiber-rich foods like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains also promote gut health, which is linked to improved mood, cognitive function, and even reduced stress levels through the gut-brain axis. By supporting the body's ability to process glucose slowly, fiber helps maintain consistent energy levels and mental sharpness throughout the day. Incorporating a balanced mix of slow-digesting carbs, such as whole grains and fiber-rich foods, while limiting processed sugars can significantly improve brain function. The key is to choose complex carbohydrates that provide a steady, sustained release of glucose, while avoiding simple sugars that cause energy fluctuations. A diet rich in fiber not only helps regulate blood sugar, but also supports overall brain health, allowing you to maintain focus, concentration, and emotional balance. By making mindful choices about the carbs you consume, you can fuel your brain for optimal performance, avoid energy crashes, and maintain mental clarity throughout the day. High glycemic index (GI) foods, such as white bread, sugary snacks, and processed foods, cause a rapid spike in blood sugar levels. These foods are digested quickly, leading to an immediate burst of energy. However, this quick high is followed by a sharp drop in blood sugar, often referred to as the sugar crash. This drop can leave you feeling fatigued, irritable, and mentally foggy, making it difficult to concentrate. The effect is particularly noticeable for individuals who work long hours or face high stress, like Elon Musk, known for his demanding schedule and intense workload. Musk has spoken in interviews about the importance of maintaining stable glucose levels to fuel his work ethic and mental clarity. He avoids high-sugar, processed foods that would cause these energy crashes, preferring meals that provide steady, lasting energy. Musk's disciplined approach to eating highlights a crucial point. When blood sugar levels are stable, mental clarity and focus remain intact. Instead of relying on the quick boost of high GI foods, he opts for options that provide consistent energy without the roller coaster effect. By choosing low GI foods, such as whole grains, fruits, and vegetables, you can maintain steady blood sugar levels, which leads to more consistent energy, improved mood, and better concentration throughout the day. Substituting high GI foods with healthier, nutrient-dense alternatives can make a significant difference in how you feel and perform, both mentally and physically. Low GI foods are more than just a trend, they're a lifestyle choice that can have profound benefits for both our physical and mental health. Foods like oats, whole grains, legumes, and vegetables release glucose into the bloodstream slowly and steadily. Unlike high GI foods, which cause sharp spikes in blood sugar, low GI foods ensure a constant supply of energy throughout the day, providing the brain with the fuel it needs to stay sharp. This steady release of glucose is critical for maintaining cognitive performance, emotional stability, and focus, allowing us to think clearly and stay productive without the mental fatigue or mood swings caused by blood sugar crashes. The science behind low GI foods lies in how they are digested and absorbed. The glycemic index (GI) measures how quickly carbohydrates in food raise blood glucose levels. High GI foods, like white bread or sugary snacks, cause rapid spikes followed by crashes, leaving you feeling sluggish and mentally foggy. In contrast, low GI foods break down more slowly, providing a gradual release of glucose that fuels the brain for hours. This steady supply of energy helps maintain focus and cognitive performance, making it easier to stay sharp during long hours of work or intense mental tasks. Moreover, low GI foods have been shown to stabilize mood by preventing the irritability and anxiety often associated with blood sugar fluctuations, making them essential for emotional well-being. For high-performing individuals like Jeff Bezos, a diet rich in complex carbohydrates and low GI foods is key to maintaining a mental edge. Bezos, in particular, has talked about how his diet full of whole grains and slow-burning carbs helps him stay focused, even during moments of high-stress decision-making. This is a strategy that many successful entrepreneurs and professionals adopt. By fueling their bodies with low GI foods, they ensure their brains are functioning at their best, whether they're making split-second decisions or navigating through stressful challenges. It's not just about avoiding mental fatigue, it's about optimizing brain power for peak performance. So, what low GI foods should you be adding to your diet? Fortunately, it's easier than you might think. Oats, brown rice, quinoa, lentils, beans, and vegetables are all excellent options. These foods not only provide sustained energy, but are also rich in nutrients that support overall health. Adding these foods to your meals can help you maintain focus and emotional balance throughout the day, especially when you're facing demanding tasks or high-pressure situations. Ultimately, the food we eat plays a huge role in our mental clarity. While caffeine, supplements, and energy drinks may offer quick boosts, the real key to lasting mental clarity lies in choosing the right foods. Low GI foods provide a natural, steady supply of energy, which can enhance your focus, stabilize your mood, and improve cognitive function. By incorporating these foods into your daily meals, you'll be supporting not only your body but also your brain, enabling you to stay at your best, no matter what life throws your way. What we eat doesn't just affect our bodies, it has a profound impact on our minds as well. The foods we choose can directly influence how we feel emotionally, how we handle stress, and even how we manage mental health conditions like depression and anxiety. More and more research is revealing the undeniable link between diet and mental well-being. Diets high in processed foods, those loaded with sugars, unhealthy fats, and artificial additives, have been linked to an increased risk of mental health disorders. These foods can create imbalances in the brain's chemistry, leading to inflammation, oxidative stress, and even insulin resistance, all of which are associated with poor mental health. The brain needs a variety of nutrients to function at its best, and when it lacks essential nutrients, the result can be mood swings, anxiety, and cognitive decline. On the other hand, a diet rich in whole foods, especially those high in omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and complex carbohydrates, can protect the brain from mental health issues while boosting mood and cognitive abilities. Omega-3s, found in fatty fish like salmon, walnuts, and flax seeds, are vital for maintaining healthy brain function and reducing inflammation. Antioxidant-rich foods like berries, dark leafy greens, and cruciferous vegetables help fight oxidative stress and promote mental clarity. Complex carbs, such as those in whole grains and legumes, provide a steady source of energy for the brain, preventing the blood sugar spikes and crashes that can lead to mood swings. When our blood sugar is stable, we feel more focused, energized, and emotionally balanced. A great example of how diet can impact mental health is Ariana Huffington, who, after suffering from burnout and health issues, turned to mindful eating as part of her recovery process. She realized that mental and physical well-being are deeply interconnected, and she began emphasizing the importance of nutrition for maintaining both. Huffington's transformation is proof that by choosing nutrient-dense, whole foods, we can improve both our mental health and cognitive function. If you're looking to improve your mental health through diet, there are specific foods to focus on. Fatty fish, nuts and seeds, berries, leafy greens, whole grains, and fermented foods like yogurt and kimchi are all excellent choices for supporting brain health and boosting mood. On the flip side, it's best to avoid processed foods, refined sugars, trans fats, and excessive alcohol, as these can disrupt brain function and lead to emotional instability. The bottom line is that what we eat plays a huge role in how we feel mentally. A balanced diet rich in whole, Nutritious foods can help protect our brains from mental health challenges while enhancing our mood, focus, and cognitive abilities. By making mindful food choices, we can take a proactive role in maintaining our mental well-being, knowing that the connection between our body and mind is real, and what we eat has the power to shape both. To conclude, the foods we eat have a significant impact on the way our brain functions. Omega-3s, proteins, micronutrients, and complex carbohydrates all play essential roles in cognitive health. Whether it's Barack Obama's commitment to healthy eating or Elon Musk's focus on maintaining steady energy levels, it's clear that the brain thrives on the right foods. By prioritizing a diet rich in healthy fats, proteins, fiber, and essential vitamins, we can protect our brains from cognitive decline, improve mental clarity, and boost our mood. And just like the world's most influential figures, we can harness the power of nutrition to fuel not only our minds, but our success in all aspects of life.